It's called Voda.
So lapha kwakhona. This is the last structure that is left in life. So these structures, there were many structures. Actually, this was a home. It was a plot, homestead. Yeah, it was a homestead. So what happened with when these riots and development comes in, they illegally demolished the structures, and then we were left with this. So we request to the local authority, that includes the council, to say, guys, we want to preserve this because one, this structure is one of the structures that is old around here in Gauteng or around here in Tembisa. You can't find such a structure.
How old is this?
It's similar to that one, but according to my research, because some of the building here, lands at the plaza, because I've got pictures here, they were written 1945. Yeah, but that one was the Cullinan structures. So this one were before, because Uma Kalwibaya, now Kalwibaya imizing. So meaning this one are the first. So Uma Ulando la, the first occupants la, it was Mandela. Then they were building such rooms. So Amapon, the Dutch, when they come in, they took this planning by moderator to this. Yeah, so this might happen with it is around 1894 or before. Yeah, it's structure itself. Because it can't be 1945, because in 1945 they were already building the Makalinen bridge. So this one is before. So it may happen. Amarandabula about 3. I've got pictures there about 3 Amarandabula. So Amaya so about this I understand what part here. So our aim here is to say, okay, but so what we need to do here is to say, because we've got pictures of this farm before it is like this. So we want to do as the monument site, where people will learn, or the kids or people will learn before it's like what kind of before dinner, and then the other you see. Before, because we want to put pictures and then it's a monument with me. Because my father, he was fortunate to be able to be associated with the Mapono because apartheid with Abene farm. And on that time it was prohibited to do Abene tightly ownership of the land. But Baba is squeezed himself because Baba was a commercial farm. Yeah, so then once again, Mapono, but no Kumado, we're giving you this farm. So, Bamina, you're okay, then to labor. So, the Zindules, Zindala, is going to part with Peg now, a part to that. But this one is so I aim to it. Funa, Jobas Fatal Faban, this one is the one that are not even 2 months. So, yes, following Uganda, and then in the soil, the man, Funuti, Solar Architect, was guide, or whatever, so far as the roof, because we don't want to change the model, but we want to renovate it. Feel that I'm going to pick up. We don't want to change this model. Because this model, don't mind born. You're born taking apart. You didn't apart. I've seen the apart. You got the part of this. You see. So we bear with you fishing about Mugana. Yeah. You see. So we want to preserve this one because then I equal sometimes any I born I mean a job at the wild thing I call partner says the return. I equal final.
So now you know,
potential, but all the documents are with
Yeah.
Sarah.
Yes. Yeah. This. Yeah. Particularly, I mean, I'm under a copy as well. You see, which I can be able to share with you. So all these things, all stuff when we have given undertaking notice to say we need to safeguard this one, and then when the other. So they said to me, "Come on, this thing will need a lot of money to go." So they are trying to challenge it by challenge from there. But National Heritage Resources Agent, he went on after he undertaking notice to make the final investigating report, which conclude all our discussing and the inspection and all these things, and then meaning which what do you call it? The objection that it of them has been technically declined. Because because they went on after they wrote a letter of objection. They said no, this undertaking notice, it doesn't have a report from the developer or the province. So we went to province human settlement to say, guys, we need a report from yourself in that development. But no, that all those things is reaching a corner of Sito Frole. So they make a letter, they are lawyers. And then we went to agree, but the road development, and then they made their own letter. And then we started our consultant, development, and developer now team. We transfer those land to Maspala.
Yeah.
So Maspala right now, on Tuesday, I was having a call, Mr. Eric Chikita, yes, of which is legal, Obama signing with that report. So actually, an English petty report, Mabaguna report is particularly discussing report 2022. So that means there is final report. So you need to go through that report. So there's two things that you need to do in that report. Either you comply with the report, or you go to court to ask a court to review or to set aside. But if you want to go to court, you must have all these compliance documents. But I don't know where I am going to get it, because we have also already written an affidavit, and the town planning has also written a memorandum to say all these compliance document is not existing in our file. You see? So now when you go to court, how are you going to convince the court to say you have complied? Because on your own affidavit, you have written, said no, we don't have file of the compliance, but we have the file that when you propose the township, you put on the newspapers to say no, I'm proposing township. From there, we take the file to town planning to propose the township. It was passed, but now the file of the heritage assessment report or compliance, you don't have it. Some of the heritage we have recorded, but now you fail to comply because you have to. Ngoba laphana nje lapho le ndawo utshela kuyo lapho laphana kune civil case and a criminal case. A criminal case is kanjani, is a whereby indashika town planning ikunama condition uthi nje khuma nje ubumela before usuku afuna usuku ngolonke wala left. You see, so laphana it compliance the architect in these 5 areas, if you are about to develop this area, you need to exhume the existing. If you have it existing, existing graves, or you need to barricade those areas to the situation of the local authority. So when you come in there, you took the option to develop it. So now we are looking for the file of the graves, where they have reallocated the file with the graves. That's where our problem started. That file is not ready. You see? So then, okay, we come here. Yeah, then this is each game where we just if now to have a sifisa nje ukuthi masipala le ndawo lezi azi that project. Yeah, ngoba thina la le ndawo le no street ngoba masipala. local residents. If maybe Panama mobile clinic, because you follow e-tender, you follow e-shelter, something alternative. If you have a mobile clinic or anything that includes the assistant community mobile clinic or the scheme, allow open here, Mama Lola situation then the other solution about that if maybe over the industrial and what you call it the activities in general they need to utilize them down there, you see. But also this one preserved as well. You see. Ngoba abantu abanayo community center indawo eyayishiyo obaba la khona indawo la eyishiyo obaba lo uma beyithatha le ndawo le but no this indawo le ngoba from long time it was a community center so asizingayidevelop le ndawo so shila baphuma uma bebuya so banikeza le ndawo so ngathi manje bafaka omunye ubaba la bathi for temporarily wena baba uzicrash la unikwenza ndawo ibe active so baba egcina ukuthi uma kushona lo baba lo uyena wamfaka lapha but ngenhlanhla lo baba wayemfaka lapha uthi uma segula wasibitha nto yakho senza indashiya washo wathi no abantu bakithi mina ngiyagula mnumzane le ndawo le sasibetha nto yakho manje cela ukuthi kuya phambili ukukhulume naye you see so after a weeks washona ngenhlanhla yasithi uma senza lo meeting sama register babhala nama minutes yeah you see so then ke sine sifunayo ke manje thina la ezikhumana ukuthi le ndawo le ngoba i-community center ama-community awanayo i-community center le ndawo le umasipala akayi-utilize khulume nalo muntu ngoba lo muntu loya ngathi nje njengamanje kwafika so yami so akasafuni naye you see so le ndawo le ukuthi ke ayi-utilize ibe yini ibe i-community center nale kube i-community center
Member,
but kube i-heritage
we
site.
are member.
Ngiyayibona i-structure and I was about to ask you what is your opinion about the services that you provide
Yeah.
social but in one space
Yeah.
because ama-heritage site categorized ama-hubs.
Yeah.
You have the
Yeah.
uthola izinto eduzane that is the hub noma ngaba 1 or 2 as long as ukuthi umphakathi uyafinyelela. I was going to ask if have you ever thought of getting application nomination for a heritage for this site?
Yeah, kahle sibe ne problem. We've been doing this for the because by the way national national when they come to a position almost by a national health site because we apply for declaration of the land. So a national health site yaba nenkinga ukuthi besingaka finalize with the land and then and then secondly yathi mibheka ukuthi no la kahle kahle kune negligent so to declare it's impossible so yaba nalo technicalities client. Then the province there, they also come here. Yeah, and then when they do it, they're supposed to declare it, and then Baba Nama technically decline it. So until there was a buya for the national, say he's a man a protection unit, he has to declare. Yeah, you see. So whatever, yes, whatever yeah, but we authority.
I think maybe to answer these questions, the route is already there. Yes. In the sense that guna la matunala kube na ma structure. Bese kutsiba na le structure sila. So it's a delay. Bese kuba neighbor. Bese kuba shopping center lapha shopping center bekuyinsi so meaning this whole place because nomination eyenziwa ukhumalo was on farm 20 not on a specific grave site.
Yes.
It was on
under
farm 20
heritage sites that
yes ngoba bekashilo ukhumalo ukuthi initially kunama-photos of this place before kuba nazo zonke lezi zinto esizibona manje. So thina indlela esisebenzela phezu kwayo sisebenzela before kuba na zonke lezi zinto esizibona manje. Sisasebenzela kuleza ezakuqala ukuthi kunesibaya sengulube, kunesibaya senkomo, kunesibaya seyinkukhu, kunesibaya sezimvu and so on and so forth. Then kunamasimi bese kuba nekhali kaKhumalo, kube nendlu kababa, kube nendlu yabafana, kube nendlu yabasebenzi. It's a setup enama-pictures akhona before kuzoba nale issue yokuthi sekuyi-township, which is still pending a-township. So i-nomination yethu was to say right now there is now a township. So we are going to accommodate the township, but not forgetting ukuthi before kuba i-township bekunjani. Njengoba bekashilo uMthungu ukuthi on this side there would be ama-photos, kuzoba nama-frames, kuzoyenziwa ama-photo ukuthi umuntu makafika la understand ukuthi le ndawo le before iba njengoba beyinjani. So uzoyibona ngama-pictures ukuthi before beyilendlela bekungena so lana kuzoba sort of museum ukuthi kunama-pictures kaKhumalo ukuthi umuntu oyehlala la ngulo, and then iy'ngane zakhe yilezi, and then lana bekwenzakalani, ngale bekwenzakalani, ngale bekwenzakalani, up to kune-section enye ngale kunabantu babesebenza la ekhaya. So nabo kunendawo lapho bebahlala khona, kunabantu ababefikile njengalo mlungu lo bekahlala ngale. So inomlando oyi-root ukuthi if mawuzela you are not just coming for the structure kuphela, namathuna so ine-before bese iba simple ngoba simtshela ngathi funa simtshela ngapresentation. Okay, yeah, ngoba ezinye izinto can go near the original pictures.
Let's go to the original pictures. Because Tina Besnova was not educated, but yeah, he knows what I'm doing. Okay. This is yeah, I like that.
Mara zithu seziyelo ngathi sa last week namahashi konke ngulu.
Okay, pictures. Yeah, yini lo yeah, umfowethu lo umdala washona, lo uyaphila, lo namsebenzi anoma washona nalo
khona la.
Yeah. Nkomo yeah, ubaba lo
abantu abangakhuluma
ngenkomo mabahamba nembuzi siselela ecommunity mhlafuna ngoba andiri mafika sithi samzabalazo kuba bahambile ukusala ezinye la phezu kwabo.
Okay, what's the header? Okay.
Indawo yakhona le.
Yeah, you. Yeah, lena is a style.
Oh, sisterly.
Yeah. I know sorry. Yeah. Le ndawo lena okay asibuye la anti yabona le lapha ne le ndawo le yabona le it was legal demolition yabona la machela wane the very same stone now.
Yeah, you want
Yeah, yabona la machela the very same stone now. Ungangaya nje kunto ku camera ku wazume kahle yabona the very same stone le hlahla lezi nasema
eziyisezikhathiwe
yazikhathiwe yabona hlahla lezi very same stone yabona hlahla lezi nasi. See, le amabonda la very same one enziwa ngamathi yes. Okay, khona ngifuna ukuya khona nalezi into yodwa nje yabo. So Okay, lena ile sort of ile.
Oh,
La isibale sibona le istyle
Style,
yeah uma kusenga inkomo. So what happened ukuthi ke when they demolish all these structures, ne, the remaining are still there.
The foundation is set
Yeah,
there.
it's the remaining is still there. Bawapusha bawafaka emfuleni. Yeah, you see. So but we got pictures.
We've organized then.
Yeah, Lona is myself. When I was still young. Don't know Baba. You see? Yeah. Okay, Lapa, I love how Sakaya Baba.
Okay. Lying.
No, Lapa is the recent pictures. Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Ngoba is easy, but we captured among demolished structures. I've got Ira City actually in 1997. Okay, okay, click on this, the remaining because of this is another one that was demolished. Yeah.
Illegal.
Yeah,
Yeah, illegal so by the committee.
So, Bambala.
This is the only one that is left.
That's yeah.
When was this?
I think it was 4 years back. Demolition. 3 years. Yeah. This one, this other structure, they call around there.
Demolition by who?
3 years back, by committee.
By us.
By us as a committee. To say we want to relocate for people.
But
replaced by the sheikhs.
Because he is the one who authorized all this. This is the remaining remaining. This is the remaining house. I think there's like the coin and bricks.
Yeah. Which farmhouse you actually?
No. It was coin bricks. Best kind of way.
Oh, it Cullinan bricks.
Yeah, Cullinan bricks.
Bekuyihostel, ama-hostel yabahlali.
Yeah,
yabasebenzi.
This is the remaining indlu lebela enkulu. Remaining structures. Okay. Yabona lena ilile phana ngazo inkomo lesi yabo. Ilapha emfuleni siphala ngazo inkomo. Yalahlwa lapho. This is the remaining structures eyalahlwa kupha emfuleni. Nala isemfuleni lo yabo. Emfuleni yahlwa khona. These are the remaining structures. There is phana ngazo inkomo yabo. Yeah, na ilapha endasikeni. Yabo, this is the remaining konke lo yabo. Yeah, so we capture these pictures now. See, advise when you must buy to say, come on, go and take all pictures of the remaining structures because as time goes, we need those. But I've done that because in German, because I can be able to relate.
Yeah.
Yeah, with okay, this is what happened. So then again, German pictures now, that's why we need a place like this one so that we can be able to put abantu sibalethe noma abantu bakwazi ukubona also our family the next generation because Baba was a hero in our family because he was the first, yeah he was the first in our family to be have a commercial farm. Because about the same comment, almost about yeah. So then again, when the this area, this arrangement, is between ourselves as Kumalo, Nama local authorities in the country, saying for now, just preserve this. City of Learning, we need to come in and give directions. What must we do? Because in the opportunity, we need to do in a sense. And then we need to go to the Uber activities. We need to have an activity. We have something that or library or whatsoever. But this thing, even under.
Okay, remember that you need something somewhere. Let's say on the complex. The plane is going to take long.
Yeah.
I think it's not there's this heritage make sense. Or maybe mhlambe kuba nama-dancers, yeah. And then why I'm here, because angichazi.
Thank you.
Umsebenzi wami ukuzo-verify.
Yes.
Are there.
Yes.
Then you say a manager, and then they declare.
Yeah.
If declared, I inspect them. Ne?
Yes.
Yeah. Why? Like we are saying, you've got pictures. Once you say Bale Lema from Sawatwalisa, it's not the last time you should see me until Minangis and retire. No money will also take over, also come.
Yes.
What is the purpose? Bafuna ukuthatha these heritage sites basifake with database. You've got your pictures, like it before and after.
Yes.
Then ku media content, ku link yakho kule databases okuyo bayibiza ukuthi heritage site route map.
Yes.
Yeah. Kula umuntu akafoza ilink uyabona kwakhumala.
Yes.
Uyabona ke. Akasadinge ukuthi afone uyabona mase kushintshile senje kwaqalwa la nawo ulana.
Yes.
Iyo into esebenzayo. Yeah. That's why kufanele ngiqale ngithole ukuthi i-declariwe yini. Ikhona iya-exista and then bese seyayisa. That's the thing. Uyathola ukuthi i-potentially declared. Meaning that it's declared, not ukuthi ayikadeclarwa. Net bayashoda is certain, but it's the report that I'm going to take emsebenzini. And then bona come back, give me feedback ukuthi no, buyela uyosho ukuthi thina sithi 1, 2, 3, then I'll call the meeting again, we meet, then we deliberate on what they gave me and then we move. Yeah, it was a nice exercise and also
Yeah, I was gonna part.
But nanga de kufanda bona. Noma ngena
yiyo ke i-perfect.
Okay, uzakubona la. Yabona uma wafika ngiyabahwayela.
Yo, we.
Indiyajane bafaka idraft yabo ethebile idraft newaya le yabo lelocingo le
Yeah, lela dala.
bafaka yona bafaka i-concrete. So isize yewona frame ngithe ufile bazoyimatcha ngoba ayikho store.
Alright, I
So now we told isize ye-frame. Yeah. You see? So bafile bazomatcha la. Bazomatcha la. Bashibe lashe yabo. Freshness.
Yeah.
Fresh.
No one touch it. Touch.
Yes.
So in the call manje ukuthi we need ukuthi ke si balungise lapha ama touch up.
Right manzoba museum.
Yes. And then we bafaka i-roof.
Yeah.
And then the key will right when we want to narrate to the history. You come inside and look at the pictures.
Yeah.
Roof befanele ukwenza session roof. Yeah, matanga. No, it's late or something. So what's one below matanga? So what's one
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm impressed. Since ngihamba nje kula heritage sites ayile
Yeah. Yabona ukuthi ibonda le njengoba ngitshela ukuthi yabona le bonda le yabona